Chocolate dipped wild strawberries and cream ice pops are easy to make, and when you use the best ingredients possible, the natural flavors of the strawberries will really stand out and taste like a chocolate dipped strawberry. Like all fruit, strawberries are best eaten when they are ripe. If you can pick wild strawberries growing in an open field, your efforts will be rewarded. Wash the strawberries in cold running water to remove anything on the outside of them. Cut the tops off and slice 225 grams into a small mixing bowl. Add 50 grams of a good quality honey, the juice of half a lemon, and mash the honey into the berries. Let the strawberries macerate for about an hour. When your strawberries are ripe, the maceration process almost liquefies the berries, so no blending or cooking is needed. Transfer the now liquid berries to a measuring cup with a pouring spout and add 75 grams of high-fat cream. Mix to combine. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness as needed. The berries are naturally sweet, so avoid the temptation to add more honey unless you want the ice pop to be softer when the pop is unmolded. Carefully pour the strawberries and cream into 3 ice pop molds. Add the lid so the ice pop stick is standing up straight and at the right height, and place the molds on the bottom of the freezer to harden. To unmold the pops, dip them into a glass filled with hot tap water for 2 or 3 seconds. Place the unmolded pops on a chilled pan and place them in the freezer until you are ready for them. Chilling the pan will help stop the pops from melting while you assemble the chocolate coating. Place a small bowl that is large enough to fit over the opening of a small pot that is half filled with water. The bottom of the bowl needs to be above the water, and heat the water to a gentle boil. This is called a double boiler and a safe way to melt a 100 gram good quality semi-sweet chocolate bar without the chocolate burning. When solid chocolate is frozen, it will become very brittle, so you need a little oil to make the chocolate a little softer as the chocolate melts. I'm using a tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly pressed pecan oil, but olive oil or a high quality flavorless oil can be used instead. When the chocolate is evenly melted and the oil is incorporated, transfer it to a small jar big enough to dip the strawberry and cream ice pop into. The ice pop is frozen hard, so it only takes a quick dip for the chocolate to coat the exterior of the pop. Place the chocolate dip pop on a piece of parchment and serve, or place back into the freezer until wanted.